तैयार रहेंगे? गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट. It is often said that trial courts are the first line of defense of fundamental rights. Stop. In order to protect personal liberty from arbitrary and illegal arrests, the Constitution mandates in Article 22, Subarticle 2, that an arrested person should be produced before the nearest judicial magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest. Stop. Thus, it is the magistrate who is called upon to protect the most sacrosanct fundamental right by reviewing the police action at the first instance. Stop. The remand of an accused is therefore not supposed to be mechanical process but a judicial action after recording satisfaction about the legality and necessity of arrest. Stop para. However, very often, trial courts are found failing in this solemn duty. Stop. One comes across innumerable cases where the accused are routinely remanded at the mere asking of the investigating agency, without proper application of judicial mind. Stop. And if it is a case involving a particular political interest for the state, the trial courts tend to be overly indulgent towards the investigating agencies. Stop. The criminal actions taken against Jignesh Mewani raise troubling questions at our democracy. Stop. That an opposition MLA could be taken away overnight by a police from another state across 1000 kilometers, without any prior notice as mandated by the CRPC in an FIR registered over few tweets against the Prime Minister, is highly disconcerting. Stop. Just in a matter of day, Mewani was in a jail in Assam. Stop. Soon after he got bail in this case, he was arrested again in another FIR registered by Assam police on allegations of assaulting and molesting a women cop. Stop para. No sane person will ever try to outrage the modesty of a lady police officer in presence of two male police officers, and there is nothing in the record to hold that the accused Jignesh Mewani is an insane person, the judge stated in the order. Stop. The judge also noted several contradictions in the statements of the complainant police woman. Stop. In view of the above testimony of the victim woman, instant case is manufactured for the purpose of keeping the accused Shri Jignesh Mewani in detention for a longer period, abusing the process of the court and the law. Stop para. Otherwise, our state will become a police state, which the society can ill afford. Stop. Even opinion is growing in the world for providing next generation human rights to the people in the democratic countries, like right to recall an elected representative, right to destabilize an elected government, etc. Therefore, converting our hard-earned democracy into a police state is simply unthinkable, and if the Assam police is thinking about the same, the same is perverse thinking. Stop. The judge observed while requesting the Chief Justice to consider whether the matter may be taken up as a public interest litigation to curb the ongoing police excesses in the state. Stop. On another perspective, the fact that we have to celebrate these orders is a sad reflection of our criminal justice system. Stop. Bail is the rule and jail is exception, is a rule which is observed mostly in breach by the judiciary, which has led to the large percentage of under trials in our prisons stop when activists and dissenters were targeted through politically motivated cases. One mostly sees judiciary assuming the role of a passive onlooker, if not actively complicit with the state. Stop over.